This is hot bread. 5 pieces for 1 real. This is already hot. Let's go. This is Joan of Arc. We are Ilonggos here in Qatar, and let's talk about daily life in Qatar, talk show style. Food. So, what is eating like in Qatar? Ano to? This is bread, which is kubos.
Kubos in Arabic means bread. So for example, this bread, for 5 pieces, you can buy it for 14 pesos.
1 real is 14 pesos.
So you can survive.
And then, like Filipinos, they also eat by using their hands. So, kamay, pinamot lang, kamot. Pinamot lang.
So this kind of Arabic bread, this kind of kubus is made by Iran.
Oh, Iranian kubus.
Because there's many kinds of bread like this kubus. There is the real Arabic bread. There's also India, which is naan. There's also paratha. There's also Turkish bread. And one of the best bread for me is the Turkish bread.
Turkish bread, like we had last night.
You can differentiate the taste, no? The Turkish bread.
This one tastes parang ordinary lang. Your usual bread.
This is what you call
This is already filling. Puno ka na.
This is also called unleavened bread.
Yeah, in the Bible.
Unleavened bread means there is
No yeast.
no yeast to make it
To
expand.
make it right. Yeah.
So it's chewy,
Chewy.
crunchy on the crust, but it really depends on the style. For example, the paratha, the Indian paratha, it's even more chewy because I think they use a different flour. You know? They use wheat. This one is just dry. It's the shish tawuk. Shish tawuk is a grilled chicken, which is lean chicken cubes from chicken breast. They cube it, they put it in a skewer, and then they grill it. So it's called shish tawuk. So it's a grilled chicken, sabi natin parang barbecue, but the marinade,
All gone.
the marination of the chicken here is different, very simple. Salt, lemon, pepper, that's it, no sugar. Yogurt, but this kind of bread is just simple. The cooking is simple. Something like Mediterranean influence.
How much in all does this particular meal cost?
So the mix of 5 reals is 18 reals.
Wow.
18 reals.
In pesos, how much is that?
18 is about, for 1 real, it's about 14 pesos. So 18 times 14, 252.
So it's like eating in an average restaurant.
Then the bread would cost
Not bad.
14. So 152 plus 14.
Pesos. So everything costs a little over 300 pesos.
And we're here at Souq Waqif, the famous, it's one of the touristic destination here in Doha. We are at Souq Waqif. This is Shuja restaurant. This is an Iranian
Restaurant.
restaurant.
Amazing.
So this is one of the famous touristic places in Doha. Not that expensive.
So if you're here, if you're an OFW and working here, will you be able to save money? I think this is very cheap. 14 pesos, 5 pieces of bread.
You can save money.
You can, huh? Is it more expensive to eat rice or to prepare rice?
No, cooking here in Doha would be
more time consuming?
Time consuming. So you come here to work. You don't come here to cook.
Yeah, because when you cook, you work for yourself, so that's extra time.
So if you cook, you lose time for sleeping.
Yeah.
You need to rest.
Okay.
Cooking here is a luxury. If you're preparing for a party or something like a intimate family gathering, then you cook.
So it's more special to cook
More special
because of the time.
because the cost of cooking also is expensive. Because here labor is also cheap for cooking, and cooking is an industry for others.
So
That means others can also earn money. And in this world, there are a lot of in this part of the world, there are a lot of workers in industry also. There are people who are expert in cooking. There are expert in working different levels of job category.
how about Filipino food? Are there Filipino restaurants here?
Filipino food
also?
here is a luxury.
It is.
For example,
So this one, Iranian food is cheaper than Filipino food. I think it's laborious.
okay, so with the soft drinks and the water and the hummus by the way is chickpeas.
Chickpeas
The
or
bansos in Philippines, they grind it and they mix it with tahina. Tahina is like a sesame seed oil. They mix it with tahina. Sometimes they put also olive oil, olives,
olive.
and so this is ground already. So this is like the dip,
And this one is garlic sauce.
garlic sauce. So
Two
garlic mixed with
The most
mayonnaise,
popular dips. Favorite.
and of course fresh onions.
Oh. And
At
lemon.
least you have something like a salad. Lemon.
So
Okay, now, if this
there's
is,
your veggie.
if we're eating in a Filipino food, the food would cost about 20 reals. The meat, for example, the meat, let's say giniling or adobong manok would cost 18 reals, 18 to 20 reals.
250.
However, there's 5 skewers with 2 skewers of shistawo, which is chicken, and 2 skewers of lamb, which is basically meat, and 2 pieces of kokta, parang giniling siya na karne, na inihaw din, in sukpa. So with this one you have variety for 18, but with adobo, chicken adobo, it's only 2 pieces chicken. Maybe a
So
leg,
it's more expensive.
18. Then you have adobo, but you have to buy rice, which is how much? Included the rice, 18.
So given the price of Filipino food,
So for one person, only 18. But this
18.
one, we
everything is
we are 4. We're
19
4.
in all.
And that one, you will not be able to be here in a touristic place because if here, they might even double the price. So that is in a cheap place where you can buy Filipino. There's another Filipino soup there.
Here?
It will be triple. For example, giniling or adobo. Siopaw. Hindi nila alam papaitan ko.
It's Ilocano, Pangasinan.
Papaitan is even 30 reals.
Yes,
papaitan.
because of the ingredient. Where can you find?
No, you can find because there's a...
Taupo?
You can.
Wow, but it's not easy to gather taupo.
It's all easy. It's just the Filipino pricing. It's just expensive.
Really? So
For
it's not
example,
as competitive.
It's not competitive.
Wow.
Jollibee, for example, Jollibee compared to KFC, Jollibee is more expensive.
Why
It's not
is
luxury.
that? Why?
It's just that we're not competitive. Others are just, I don't know, maybe of the processes or the returns. The franchise, the returns, we want more, no? But for them, because of the labor cost, the Filipino will not work for less. For example, a typical Filipino here, OFW, household service, for example, we earn double. Our country is our government demands a minimum pay of $400. Diba? It's $400 per month. That's the minimum pay of a household servant. $400.
Here?
400. But the others,
How much is that?
no, for others it's only 200. Other nationalities.
Really?
So Filipino labor.
They really dive down to that low. But maybe because they can survive.
No, because perhaps in their country also. I will not mention nationality.
Okay. Yeah.
In their country, the purchasing power is
Yeah.
better. So Philippines is actually an expensive place to live, if you think about it. For example, I've traveled around the world. To eat in Vikings, for example,
Yeah.
is 1,100. It's 1,400. We per
No,
person.
2 persons. Vikings is
Bacolod.
699.
Bacolod.
Ah, more expensive in Manila. It's only
In Manila,
700
just yesterday.
in Bacolod.
Okay, yesterday, which is September 20, 2019 of the current year. Jimmy and myself went there at the Mall of Asia, and
But you said you did not eat.
we did not eat because there's no time. It's already 2 o'clock, and they close
Yeah.
at 2:30. But you have to pay 1,400 each.
Eat? That's
Yeah.
so expensive.
Cost of 1,400 for one person is what we ate in Turkish restaurant yesterday.
Wow, yeah.
Yesterday we have a lot of
It's,
Turkish
yeah,
salad.
it's a feast already.
It was a feast. You can see the pictures.
3,400.
We have the Turkish bread. We have rice, fish,
what is that smell?
chicken, lamb chops, huh? Lamb chops. Karakti, okay.
Karakti.
I think
It's so
I think
lemony,
Joan of Arc right
citrusy.
now. Hey, Joan of Arc right now. I think you're smelling a distinct
Yeah.
aroma.
Yes, yes.
That's called a karakti. Karakti are there's a scent of cardamom in it. Others they use saffron, one of the most expensive spices.
Yeah, yeah.
It's very native in Iran, also in Spain.
Is it an expensive tea?
Expensive, the saffron. When you
Yeah,
think about
yeah,
spices,
it's a jewel. It's it's a gem of
even
all
here, but
spices.
actually you can find it here. I mean, I can cook. I can cook paedza, for example. So, this is what you smell right now. It's karakti. We'll take karakti, no?
Yeah.
Boss,
How much is
karak chai?
No,
chai?
sorry, sir. You don't have
No, the
choice.
cardamom, no?
Only soft drinks
I
and
can
what?
smell that. Where is
Karak
that
chai, where
smell?
to buy karak chai?
Inside.
Okay, backside. How much? How much? Karak to 1
Yan.
Okay,
14
1
pesos.
real you have karak chai.
Sure.
It's like a
Like the
it's like a gourmet food.
But 1 real, 14 pesos. Wow.
And in a touristic place, so for example, touristic place like
Smells
BGC in Makati,
No.
Bonifacio Global City. A tea, maybe 100 pesos. 100
Maybe
pesos.
80 pesos for
80 no.
Lipton tea, maybe 60 pesos.
In Bonifacio Global City, what I'm saying.
I
It can
haven't
cost
tried.
about 150 pesos
Maybe.
for a tea. For a coffee,
For a cup of
180.
coffee. Yeah.
So here, and mind you, Qatar is one of the most expensive places in the world.
I know. So I thought everything is expensive here. So you can actually live a good life here.
And
Even if
many of the products here are imported. For now, it's cheaper to import, although Qatar is developing its agriculture. For example, at one day, for example, we imported 10,000 cows. The largest, what do you call this? There's a term for that. That they carry it in airplanes, right? In our cargo airplanes. 10,000 in one day, and they house it in an air-conditioned dairy farm.
yeah.
So now we're producing cows, and we're
Producing milk, dairy
we're even
products.
exporting. We're now exporting. We're also developing a hydroponic system all in an air-conditioned farm. So, but still, because we're still developing the agriculture, it's still
Who are
cheaper to
your
import, no?
agriculturists?
many, like top of the line, you know. Those who are top-notch scientists. For example,
Amazing.
in 2022, Qatar will host the World Cup.
Yes. Papa is excited.
That will be in 3 years from now.
3
Now.
years.
Think about this. The football field is made of Bermuda grass. So it's
Just imagine how much water it would need to maintain
so
the
the
grass.
scientists here developed a grass with a drop of water can water the whole, just a drop. And
Okay.
maybe propagate it into a mist. That's it.
Wow.
Then it germinates.
Ah, look at that. Karak tea. Wow. Look.
Is this saffron or cardamom?
Smells.
If you didn't notice earlier, the macchiato that I made for you is flavored with
Can I do this Pinoy style? Dip bread into my tea.
so cardamom is a spice originated from India. The aroma is something like Vicks. It's like Vicks. Even the taste, when you taste it's like this of Vicks. Now to put Vicks in food, okay, it's
yeah.
unimaginable. But of course, it's a spice, so you really mix it with food actually. Like for authentic Indian curries, we put those cardamom, and it gives that taste authentic. Not just like betsin and toyo, patis. Here, really the spices are
Very
some
strong.
art.
Yes.
You
Yes.
really have to play with
There's like a
spices.
circus in your mouth. They just
Unlike in our place, we're
Philippine
limited
cooking is
into ricados, pepper, bay leaves, salt.
which
think
makes
that's
me
it.
wonder, the Philippines is not really Magellan's destination to look for spices.
For
So
the spice.
they lost it. It wasn't the island that they were
It's
looking
actually
for.
the spice.
They accidentally discovered the Philippines.
They're looking for India.
Moluccas Island. Moluccas Island.
Where's that place?
I don't know. It's off the Philippine archipelago. They were looking for
maybe. Sounds
Moluccas.
like,
It's the Spice Island.
Sounds like an Indonesian archipelago.
Yeah,
think
so
that part
in their quest to look for Moluccas and they got lost, they
Java,
were,
I think it's
they
Javanese
drifted to
empire.
the Philippines just to find the spices. Anyway, let's wrap it up because I'm low on battery. So, thank you so much. Shukran, thank you.
Shukran, marhaban, ahwan. Kalas. Kalas means it's done.
It's done. Tetanus time.
Kalas. Okay.
Bye.
جاء فترة أقول انقطع